Hello. So this isn't going to be one of the normal videos. I just wanted to give everyone a heads up with that. So I was talking to a student today, and I remembered about a set of podcast. Well, actually, it's lectures that were put online that I thought were really good. So I've got a long commute every day, and so I like to listen to audiobooks and podcasts and things like that, and stuff like that. And so a couple years ago, I stumbled across this series of lectures out of Yale. With that, so it's done by Professor McBride, who I believe is retired now. But anyway, so the course is Chem 125, which is for advanced organic for freshmen entering who just entered Yale, and like that. And so he goes into some pretty good detail on sort of the physical organic chemistry, sort of why the reactions happen the way they do, so that sort of the underlying physics of it, so like that. So it's something you don't necessarily hear about, so that it might help to explain some of the stuff. But the part that I really enjoyed was actually starting at about episode 19, and there he starts talking about what is essentially the history of organic chemistry, at least starting with Lavoisier in the 1700s, so like that. And so, you know, the debates that happened and the various chemists that were involved in the discussions and things like stereochemistry and naming, was it the tetrahedral carbon, benzene, the structure of benzene, and all that sort of stuff. It's definitely worth your time. Plus, it's free. So with that, so to find it, I don't know about the Android marketplace. I haven't taken a look, but I only know it through the iTunes. So if you fire up iTunes and you just do a quick search for Yale Organic, that's all you need to do. Search for that. You'll come up to this open course. There's a video and an audio version. So obviously it's on a commute, so I was doing the audio version. So you just click there. It's going to bring up iTunes U. Like that. So where they have that, so for that, so and it should come up first thing, and you can just subscribe to it. It's J. Michael McBride with that. So you want to go into here, and if you just want to start the history of organic, it starts with the chapter episode 19, but it's definitely worth to listen to the earlier ones, stuff like that. So just want to give everybody a heads up. It's a really good podcast or lecture series about organic. I didn't get a chance to do the second, the organic 2 version of it, stuff like that, but definitely the organic one is worth it. So take care.